Urhobo wado wakubecha umeotuta na ye ogenechere mo mas deno na miare akpale imirieta lawo tuta akpale Oma-edje. That is, I'm teaching you common phrases that you use to talk about everyday, that you use in everyday conversation. And the one for today is everyday phrases for introduction, for introducing yourself. So, wagba yare ayabalu. Chobo meta jona. Uyone nonena. Oma-edje. That is introducing yourself. Oma-edje. What's that? Oma-edje. Beautiful Oma-edje. Onabolieta. Ore soswa le akatakpai. Oye Oma-edje ve ikwo lidiu beyawe. Oma-edje ve ikwo lidia ubeyawe. That is formal introduction. Or if I am to transliterate what I said in the written form, that is Oma-edje, introducing yourself to people that are not your friend, that are not your pally, that are not your buddy, right? So you introduce yourself in a formal way. And how do you do that? You can go on to say, Mavo, Odeme, Onome, Oma-edje mewo mlewe. Basic pattern, Mavo. That Mavo actually means how are you? However, it can also be used to say hello. Yeah, was adani oko. Urhobo. Oko is more cordial, less formal compared to Mavo. Well, however, which of them is okay, but you can use Mavo. Odeme Onome. My name is Onome. Oma-edje mewo mlewe. I am happy, or it's a pleasure to meet you. Oma-edje mewo mlewe. I am happy to see you, or I am happy to meet you. Or in the English form, you can say it's a pleasure to meet you. For you, my child, Ejaya Balo. That Tani Mavo Odeme Onome Chonim. Oma-edje mewo mlewe. Beautiful. You can also say Odeme Otega or Boloyibo Mirwe. In this case, you are introducing yourself and also giving some more information about your occupation. Odeme Otega. I am Otega. Put your name there in the place of Otega. Or Boloyibo Mirwe. I am a doctor. You put your role there. You can say Oyono Mirwe. Oyonebe Mirwe. Omori school Mirwe. The carpenter Mirwe. Okangma Mirwe. Alright, you're doing well. Once I get done, Oyo mamewo mlewe. Yeah, Oyo mamewo bawe. Oyo mamewo bawe means it is nice to meet you. Oyo mamewo mlewe. It is nice to see you, or it is good to see you. Omere akpesiri Agbaro minure. I am Akpesiri and I'm from Agbaro. In this case, you can, in the place of Agbaro, you can put your country name. Omere Akpesiri, I am Akpesiri. In Nigeria, minure, when you are speaking to your friends outside this country. But in Arowe, Ejaya Balu. When you go, there are two people you can introduce yourself to, either in a formal setting or the informal setting. Usually, when you the party, was Jomawe in a casual way. Very. Was that an oko omere akmonwene? How are you the way? That is Hi, or my friend. My name is Akmawene. Which is your name? And of course, Oro and J, they are the same way of asking what is your name. However, Oro Yodewe is more casual compared to J Yodewe. J Yodewe is more formal than Oro Yodewe. When you say Oro Yodewe to someone, there is that feel of jolly good fellow stuff that exists between the speaker and the hearer. So, Bata Dani Oko Omewe, your name now. Oro Yodewe, Okwanebani Odeme, Olenechowele. Okay, beautiful. You can also say Oma-edje, that is hi there. Oma-edje, Oyomamewomlewe. I am Essie. It's nice to meet you or nice to meet you. What's ayeta Oma-edje Onoriode Mewa Kwarietine Obo. That is, I am Onoriode. I just moved in or I just moved here. What's ayeta ene Mewa Kwariogbe Nubo. That means I just moved into the neighborhood. What's ayeta Mewia Owia Etine. However, it is not always like that when you are speaking the language naturally. Mewia Owia Etine. So you likely not hear that. Rather, you will hear Mewia Etine. That is, I walk here. What's ayeta ne miyo ne ebe wetine, miyo no ebe etine, wetine. That is, I study here. However, in a smooth flow, a smooth flowing conversation, you will hear miyo ne betine, miyo ne betine. Can you say that? Beautiful. Agbaya Obalo. Eja takbare Omawe, takbarumawe. That is talking about yourself. You can say Emwami Kobe S&S Fashion House, meaning I am a tailor at S&S Fashion House. Emwami Ko, that is I sew cloth. Omeo Kangma, I am a tailor. Does that make sense now? Good. But ani Emwami Ko, beautiful. Then S&S Fashion House. Odiere, Agbaya Obalo. Etiena, miyo no onare unweri ebore Desu. I am currently studying civil engineering at Desu. Mi regono pahe iboro efa mamo. Zomaje verowe mi daviko pokpo. That is, I am passionate about playing football and I love meeting new people. Me, I, vegono, passionate or I love. Pahe, iboro efa. I'm passionate about iboro efa. Playing football or ball generally. Mamo, very passionate. Je oma jeverowe mi dawa iko pokpo. And I'm very happy or I love it when I meet new people. Eja takbale orie yere enano eno. That is asking question. Wasatane konweru dieworwe kalohone pojomawe ya okiesone na watane omewe utega oburo ibo mirwe. Wasatani konweru dieworwe. That is, what about you? What do you do? You are trying to ask about the person's means of livelihood or the person's occupation. And if you want to ask about the person's origin. What's no? Tivo wonure. Where are you from? And the person can respond, Ukokori minure. Yeah, in Nigeria, minure. I am from Kokori, or I am from Nigeria. Are you getting it? Batabane Tivo wonure. Iguminure. Put the name of your location. Could you? What's a genena no? Bloke. Wo miawetine nare. How long have you been working here? Or you can also say, Bloke. Wo you know etine nare. How long have you been studying here? You getting it? Beautiful. Good evening, no balbo, you know, Rawesena. Ya every comment section now. Obomishi de vanade jewe. Dawe, wo yo boy like button na, wo share oye, wo the commenting, wo subscribe. Dawe, what's our chawe in other ways? What's a donation? Wo use the link to live here. Is screen winner. bit.ly/Urhobo Amre Okyofa Bado.